Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix switch to youtube.com on Amazon Fire tablets. As you can see over here, I got Amazon Fire tablet with the YouTube app and it's wanting me to update. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. Normally I hit the square and I hit the YouTube icon, but you can't do that on Amazon Fire tablets. You have to do it the old way. So what I want to fix it, you go to the settings. You have to go to settings, and then you have to go to apps and games, manage all apps. Now what you have to do is you have to scroll down to YouTube, and then force stop it and clear the data until it force stop it and then clear the data, and then relaunch the app. And it looks like it has worked. So what will happen now is it will show accounts screen, which I'm going to censor. There we go. As you can see, set your YouTube or like account and it will work. So as you can see now, YouTube is working on this Amazon Fire tablet. So if this works for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.